To Exam Tips and Tricks channel. Let's understand two questions from question paper. Here is a problem. It's been asked to prepare trial balance. Various accounts are given: purchases, sales, bank loan, machinery, cash, capital, debtors, creditors, bills receivable, bills payable. So here is a format of trial balance. Serial number, name of the account, ledger folio, debit balance, credit balance. Expenses, assets always has to be debited. Revenue, liabilities must be credited. Capital always has to be credited. Drawings must be debited. So purchases, that is an expense, 95,000 debited. Sales, revenue, 1,36,000, that has to be credited. Bank loan, liability, credit, 20,000. Machinery, asset, debit, 50,000. Cash is a current asset, debit, 46,000. Capital, credit with 1 lakh. Debtors, that is a current asset, 80,000, that must be debited. Creditors, 17,000, that is a liability. Bills receivable, that must be debited with 4,000. Bills payable has to be credited with 2,000. So trial balance always has to be equalized, and the value of trial balance will be 2,75,000. That has to be equal to 2,75,000. One more question. In this question, balance sheet is being asked to prepare. So in the question, capital, net profit, drawings, creditors, bank overdraft, cash in hand, stock, debtors, investment, bills receivable given. The format of balance sheet will be liabilities amount, assets amount. So capital amount, that appears under the liability side. Net profit, that must be added to capital. Drawings, that has to be deducted. So what is the net amount that has to be disclosed under amount column? So amount will be 1,20,000. Next, creditors, that is a liability that appears under liability side. Bank overdraft also appears under liability side. Next, cash in hand is a current asset. So cash in hand is a current asset that appears under asset side. Stock, that is an asset. Debtors, that is a current asset, appears under asset side. Investment, that is an asset. Bills receivable, that is a current asset. So the balance sheet that has to be tallied. So 1,55,000, that has to be equal to 1,55,000. This is how balance sheet must be prepared. Thank you.